Well, I've been meaning to replace the ball on top of this bucket for quite some time. I went and bought a Weld On snap closed hook. In the industry, these are actually required to have a spring latched closed hook. You can't use an open hook or a ball like this. When I bought my tractor, I put this ball on here, so it's been on there for 6 years. Yeah, I thought at the time I'd be able to move trailers around and some other things, and I have used it for that, but I usually end up using it, I wrap a chain around there or a rope or some random thing and pull on it, and the reality is it's not ideal for that, and it's bent the crap out of the top of this bucket, and I've had to beat it back into shape many, many times. So we're going to remove that ball today. We're going to put a piece of structural steel or a backer plate on top of this, and we're going to put a piece of angle iron underneath the back to tie it all together. And then we're going to weld this hook on top of this bucket, and we'll be in much better shape. Well, I'm ready to start welding. I pulled off the old ball, got it all cleaned up, heated this up and smashed out the humps in it. I've got a little backer plate here that's going to connect this top lip to the back of the bucket. There's a gap. I'll bring you in later to show you what that looks like. This was an old bracket from a winch on a four-wheeler that I didn't use, but I always keep these kind of scraps lying around because this kind of works out really well. It provides me the backing plate I need. So we're going to basically put this over the top of this whole area. We're going to double pass the whole thing all the way around, and I'm actually going to plug weld a bunch of these holes, which will give me even more strength. So let's get this on and tacked in place, and the backer plate tacked in place, and then we'll weld everything out.
Well, this is going to wrap this one up. We went ahead and removed that old towing ball that I had on the bucket that really wasn't working out how I had hoped. We ordered this new hook off Amazon. I used my stick welder, put in a backer plate, tied it into the back of the bucket, got this new hook put on there. I've had an opportunity to put it to good use, and it's a lot nicer having a closed loop hook on the top of the bucket than it was having that ball on there. I never really used the ball to move around trailers as much as I had anticipated. So having this new hook on there has proved to be very useful. I would highly recommend it. Check out the link in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you got a lot out of this. Until next time, thanks for watching.